What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. At the beginning of this video, I want to say Eid Mubarak to all the brothers and sisters all over the world. I know a lot of us are suffering so hard. Like us, we're suffering genocide just because of who we are, because of our identity, our religion. For those, I just want to say, just feel happy and feel satisfied, feel pressure released. Just enjoy for being who we are at least one day. Eid Mubarak, guys. Okay, let's jump on to today's topic. Like you see, today's topic is called the question I hate the most. And today is also gonna be day 10 of my 1 million times call out challenge. Call out what is happening to us. China committing genocide. And I will call 1,000 times today to reminding the people, to wake up the people. Hey, there is a nation, a Muslim, the peaceful Muslim in the world are facing the genocide right now at this moment. Okay, let's back to the topic. The question I hate the most. What is that? I know you're already probably very curious about. What is that? What is that question you hate the most? What I can tell you is that is a question super common and super simple for everyone in the world. Except Uyghurs. Stay tuned. The question I hate the most is, what is your name? Is it super simple question? Yes, it is, right? You might get asked very commonly. If you want to get to know anyone, you will ask them first is, what's your name, right? If you want to go any office, government office, they will ask you what's your name first. If you go to school, the first question you get asked from your teacher and from your students, classmates, is gonna be, what is your name, right? Yes, simple question. But I hate the most. Just because of I'm a Uyghur, my answer is gonna be very complicated. Why what's your name is super difficult for me to answer, or I hate the most. Let's make a long story short, and I will go directly to the point and explain why. Every Uyghurs from mainland China has two names. First one is what they named by their parents with the religious tradition. That is the name we prefer to get called because that is our real name. But unfortunately, this is the name we only can use among the Uyghurs, not in the society. Because we have second name. Second name is named by Chinese Communist Party, which based on your name, but because their culture or their language or their system has totally different background, tradition with Uyghurs. So when the Chinese Communist Party document us, use their way, use their language, use Han Chinese language, and every single document gonna be Chinese way, and for some of us, our name got changed 100%, totally, not even close. I will explain. I want to give an example artist we all know in the world, Michael Jackson. Okay, his name is Michael Jackson. Yes, that's what he preferred to call because that is his real name. But if he born in China, you know what his name gonna be? His name gonna turn 杰克逊迈克尔. Just like us. First, your name will flip from first name to the last name. Since even though Chinese language has more than 10,000 character, but they don't have enough character to pronounce most of people's name outside of China. So they will use Chinese script, which is most close to pronounce it. So Michael become 迈克尔, and then Jackson become 杰克逊. But when they write down to the document on the passport, and you have to use Latin alphabet, right? So it will write down as their way to call it pinyin for each character. So 迈克尔杰克逊. So if he born in China, everyone will gonna call him 迈克尔杰克逊. It's already changed enough, right? It's almost not even close, right? Yeah, maybe close a little bit. But second, we all know his first name is Michael and last name is Jackson. But in Chinese culture, they put last name in the front. Let me give a quick example. Use this guy called Xi Jinping. Xi here is his last name, and Jinping is his first name. So just opposite with outside of majority of the world. And let's back to the example of Michael Jackson. So when China write down his name, or if he apply passport in China, his name will become 杰克逊迈克尔. But when it comes to America or other country, other state, people think, okay, his name is 杰克逊迈克尔. So his last name become his first name, and the pronunciation or the spelling all gonna change. So no one gonna call him Michael Jackson anymore. Everyone gonna call him 杰克逊迈克尔. So his name, because of he born in China, gonna change it to 杰克逊迈克尔, like this. So my name, let's back to my name. My name is Shadman Mahmud, but my name become like this. Mahmuti Shadiman. Let me explain you guys this way. The picture above is my passport, which is Chinese Communist Party gave it to me because my name is Shadman Mahmud. They can't pronounce, so they put that Shadiman Mahmuti on my passport, and then that's how the spelling if it turned to the Latin alphabet. They have to move my last name to the front on my passport. So my passport, my name is Mahmuti Shadiman. And my American driver license, everything based on my passport, since that my name became Mahmuti Shadiman. That's why everyone called me, from the doctor or from a lawyer, everyone called me, hey Mahmudi, hey Mahmudi. Am I pronouncing your name correct? I was like, yeah, that's, if I were you, I'll pronounce like that too, but that's not my name, right? If I'm in good mood, I will explain, yeah, actually that's not my name. My name is Shadman Mahmud, but I am Uyghur, and my land got invaded by Chinese communists, so we don't even have a right to call ourselves by our way. Chinese communist is too great, they can't pronounce my name. So they changed my name and flipped my name, so my last name become my first name, and this is the spelling they gave it to me. So everywhere since that, because of, so since I am Uyghurs, since I'm a Uyghur born in East Turkestan, which invaded by China, which is invaded by China. That's why we don't even have our right to call or name ourselves. Alright guys, for clarify, I will give one more example. Here's our well-known camp survivor Zumret Davut. which is her real name, Zumret Davut. But look at her document, her passport, that said her short name is Zaomure, and her given name is Dawuti. So I'm sure her American ID is also gonna be same like mine, because her giving name now become Dawuti and her short name is Zaomure. Since spell is wrong, so pronounce is not gonna correct, and first name, last name flipped. Because China don't care, they just want everyone follow his rule, even though you're not Chinese. That's how messed up. That's why our life is so messed up, because of we being Uyghur, and we don't even have a right to name ourselves as our wish. This is a very big issue, and I don't think any Uyghurs pointed out so far, because we have so much things to claim, so to complain, and the basic things, our name. Some people forget, oh, whatever, because we are dying, we are facing genocide, right? So we have no time to talk about some small thing to explain to the world. But we as a nation can't even name ourselves. Can you imagine that? That is the way how China genocide and assimilate whole nation. This is a Chinese way to do genocide. Those actors smiling, that's why Uyghurs are happy. That's how they tell the world. But ask them, can Uyghurs name themselves as what they want on the document? Just ask them. No, not single Uyghur can. Not single Uyghur can. That's what we don't want. That's a problem for. That's a problem. If you can't name yourself because of the government, because of the oppression, then that's a big issue. No one gonna happy. The conflict is never end. That's why I hate when someone asks me, what's your name? I know this is not the fault of the person who asking this question. It is the fault of the Chinese Communist Party, or it's because of why I am born in China, why China invaded my country. Don't give us the right for name ourselves, write our name down by our own way. That's why. And I have to explain every single person, because of this, because of that, my name is like that, that's why my name is weird. That's why when people ask me, am I pronounce your name right or correct, I would say, okay, whatever, don't worry, it's fine. Because that's not my name anyway. That's why I don't like get called Chinese way. And all my document is Chinese way. My first name and last name get flipped like this. And spelling is wrong. Pronunciation is not even close. That's how sad Uyghur's life is, guys. We can't name ourselves. Can you imagine that? I'm not exaggerating anything, guys. I'm just telling what it is, what our life is. I just want to tell you guys my feeling as being Uyghur. I wish you guys can switch the position and feeling what exactly I'm trying to say. That's about it, guys. That's about why I don't like someone ask my name. I know it should be simple. I should not don't like, but it's just so panic for me to hear. I just don't want to get called by invaders way. They're doing genocide on us physically, and the one who escaped like me, and we still can't have our own name. I just want to express this feeling. I wish you guys can feel. And okay, guys, that's about today's topic, and I will start my million times call out China committing genocide to Uyghurs. Okay, I already accomplished 9,000, and I will accomplish 1,000 more, and then today I will finish total 0.1%. All right. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. I just finished 100. Just want to tell you guys, if you want to support this channel, don't forget click the like button and subscribe this channel. And here's the way to do it. And ring bell button, okay, guys? So just don't forget to subscribe and click the ring bell button, guys. I'm gonna keep doing this. I want you guys witnessing about how I'm calling out 1 million times about China committing genocide to Uyghurs. I just want to keep reminding people, hey, my people is under genocide. Don't forget, support Uyghurs. Stop the China genocide. Stop support China. Call off your government. Stop keep licking Chinese ass like a lot of country government doing right now. I don't want to say which country is supporting China, assisting China right now. Everyone knows. That's very unfortunate. But just don't forget and spread my voice, please, by sharing this video. Let more and more people know what I'm doing, why I'm doing this. Like today's example, it's super horrible, right? We can't even name ourselves. We don't even have our name. Get called correctly whole our life and keep reminding us, oh yeah, my country get invaded, that's why Chinese did this, that's why I don't have a name. Whole my life I can't even just forget about what's going on. That's called mentally rip, what I believe. So guys, if you want to support, please do it with your action. All right, I'll keep calling out. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Chana Kamarinja Sachana 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 Kamarinja Chana Kamarinja Sachana 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 Kamarinja Chana Kamarinja Sachana 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 Kamarinja Chana Kamarinja Sachana 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 Kamarinja I finished the oops 9,500 0.9% of whole my goal Chana Kamarinja Sachana 0.95% 0.95% not even 1% China Comedians, 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 China coming in as a 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 China China coming in as a 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 900 100 left. China coming in as a 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 China committing genocide to Uyghurs in East Turkestan. Okay, guys, that's all about it today, and I accomplished 1% of all my goal. It's turned back because it's only allowed 999. This is the maximum number. Now I call back because I called 10,000. Now it's all zero in 10 days, guys. So the reason I call this, the reason I do this, and it's 1 million times, because more than 3 million Uyghurs in concentration camps. This is what already proved by the journalists. We have enough evidence to prove, based on the scale of the concentration camp and the amount of the concentration camps. More than 3 millions. That's how many Uyghurs are disappearing. At least 3 millions. Okay. Even count for them is so hard for me. Probably gonna take years to do it. 3 years. If I keep doing like this, more than 3 years, I can finish 1 million count. Say China committing genocide. Imagine how many Uyghurs is that. More than half of the country in the world do not have 3 million population. Only less than half of the country in the world have more than 3 million population. Alright guys, thanks for your watching, thanks for your support, thanks for your like button, and I will see you guys next time.